How to mention someone in Instagram story after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can mention someone on your Instagram story even after you have already posted the story. Well, Instagram has that feature available, so let me guide it through quick and easy with this video. First things first, you want to open up Instagram. I'll just open it up real quick. Now, as you can see, I have a story added here. I just added it real quick for this video purpose. Now, I've already posted it and I haven't mentioned anyone. So how you can mention it after you have posted it, right? You want to simply open up your story, right? And then you want to tap on the more option that you'll find at the bottom right. You can see, simply tap on more, and there you'll get the option that says add mentions. Tap on it, and now here you'll be able to search for a user or add them from this suggested list. You can search for them and you can add them. You can simply tap on it and then simply tap on add, and they'll get mentioned here. So you can see added mention popping up on the screen. So this way you can mention someone in Instagram story after posting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.